We are recording.
Yeah, that's wide open.
It's done. Aha, this one's faster than that now.
Not for long.
This just sounds like it's so bogged down compared to that one.
And look at this shit.
A little bit of water in there, but not much.
No, it's dry as a fucking bone.
I thought I saw... No, there was a little bit of water in there.
Oh.
Alright, no. Bone dry.
Yep. Cool. Oh yeah, these work way better. These fucking...
Don't fall. I mean, do actually. It'd be pretty funny.
Huh?
It'd be pretty funny.
What?
If you did fall in.
Not. I had my feet.
So? They'll live. Wow, it turns left way more violent than it does right.
Yeah.
Bing bing. There you go. Ooh.
Ooh.
Throw it down there, man.
Took my spot over here.
No, I haven't. This one's way faster, as long as you're not moving. Whoa!
Did you almost wipe it?
No, this is awesome. This one handles it really well. How's that when you hard turn it?
Huh?
How's that when you hard turn it?
It can flip.
Oh, really? That sucks.
Yeah, it can flip, so I don't.
I'm flat out.
Yeah. I did bring the charger for that. That little bastard just hauled ass.
Yeah, I can't spray us like you can with that one. You ain't gonna do it like that. Damn, that thing's a beast.
Huh?
That thing's such a beast.
It is, isn't it? Oh, dude.
You're fucked.
Oh, man.
I mean, I can try push it, but I don't know if it'll work.
Try it.
Might end up with 2 flip boats. Oh, dude, I can't believe you might actually have to swim.
I know.
It's actually, oh man, the tide's so strong going that way.
Mm-hmm.
I don't know if I'm... Yeah, I can push it around, but...
Flipped the shit out of it, didn't I?
Yeah, I can't, man. It's the...
Yeah.
Hang on. The current's so strong.
it's pretty tough.
Yeah, we've got no chance, man. Oh, oh. Fuck.
Maybe I can borrow a rowboat over there.
Tractor's coming back. I think the battery's kind of... Are you sure this battery was fully charged?
Yeah. Positive.
Well, I guess you're getting wet, son. It's probably all concrete down there. So at least you're... It's probably concrete getting in.
Yeah.
Oh my... You lucky bastard.
Yeah.
Where's it gone? Behind the boat?
Yeah.
So is he going to get his rowboat?
I think so.
Wow.
That's nice of him.
Hell yeah. Mike is already needing a rescue
Yep.
because he just can't control RC equipment.
Hey.
He's either crashing
It's a little
them.
choppy out there.
This
Oh,
is
I do
upright.
crash 'em, huh?
This is upright. I've been out there. Look at that little whirlpool.
I appreciate you. I haven't flipped it before.
Because it's...
Watching you up there, I'm like, okay, how's he gonna flip it over without a boat?
It wasn't working very good.
It was worth a try.
Yep. Bet it has some water in it now.
Yeah. Damn, I wish, see, this is why I wish I had
Hey,
the
at
camera.
least it's still floating.
At least I wish I had the... Oh, it'll always float, but... yeah, if the camera was on here and we could have beat it, that would have been awesome.
Yeah.
So good.
That's
That's
I'll
why...
go a little slower in the choppy water with it.
Well, just turn slower.
Well,
Just
I didn't turn. I hit and bounced and flipped.
Oh.
To the side, it hit like a wave just right and bounced and flipped.
So this poor guy is doing a ton of work. Unless, is he going to take you out there? Or is it, I think he's just going to go get it.
I think so. Oh. I owe you one. I got cold sodas in the car.
A little bit. No, still going to the right. Okay.
I'll go grab him a soda real quick.
He won't. He's probably got loads of beer and shit up there, man. Are you kidding me? Look at that shit up there.
Yep, like I told you, it will flip.
Yep. I prefer the handling of this one.
Yeah.
I bet that Spartan's
Well,
so
any
good.
V-bottoms, yeah,
I
handle.
bet that Spartan is...
I mean, those are like those will turn on rails and stuff, but
Did you tell me
you hit a
to...
wave the wrong way and you're done.
Shall I go through the reeds?
No, you didn't. I'm not fishing it out or untangling it or replacing the prop.
I won't. I'll go through, like...
You might want to bring it back to get a little water out of it. It's sitting pretty low.
Yeah, I know.
I know how piece of shitty that thing is.
You got it? Yeah, you can reach it. There we go. How much water's in there? Probably not much, because I'm good. I'm sure there's plenty. I've got that That's band on there pretty good though. Careful that prop. Look at all that.
Not too. Oh,
There was a lot of water in there, man. He's got it. What a beast.
what a piece of shit.
Damn, there's so much water in there, man.
This thing's junk, dude.
It's good, but it's also got that one flaw.
That's a pretty big fucking flaw.
It is.
And then the way it goes too, it's like, okay, so you can run it all back, but it stays in the hole.
Yeah, because they need to have a better like run out system,
Yeah.
or just a
They have
better.
no run out
I was about to say, or just better at keeping the water out.
Yeah.
But don't flip it again, because I can't imagine this guy's wanting to do this again.
No, I'm gonna go
That's a lot
much
of work.
easier with it.
That's a lot of work, man.
Yeah, it is. Oh, you only got one.
No,
down
I
there.
had two on there. Now it's only got one.
Try to get the
I'll fix it. You take care of this poor
Alright.
dude.
All right. Oh man, I appreciate you.
All right.
I didn't know how I was gonna get that.
Oh, it eventually would have blown down into the dam there.
Yeah.
Oh,
If you want, I can go grab you a Mountain Dew if you want one.
you're all right. You're all right, man.
Thank you. See
No
how much
problem.
water I took on? Probably a lot.
That thing was, for no wind, that thing was blowing down there pretty fast.
Yeah.
Dude, it's dry as a bone.
Look at that. Wow.
Wow. Thanks, man.
Hey, no problem.
Thanks.
That was awesome, dude.
You are one lucky son bitch. That's all I can say.
I just can't believe it didn't take any water off, flipped up like that.
Yeah, that was quite impressive. I won't lie. Come on. There they are. They're both on there. Alright, they are both on there. Did you change the battery?
No, I don't need to. I already changed
Oh,
it.
no, that's right, yeah.
Go a little bit slower.
Alright. I'll catch you, son of a bitch. Whoa, man, I love the handling of this thing. It's sick. You gotta admit, the handling of this thing. Beautiful.
Pretty good. Hey, don't try to crash me, dickhead.
I'm not. I'm trying to jump over your waves. Man, this thing's a beast.
Well, it should. It's got all that water in it now for ballast.
Huh. Whoa.
This doesn't really make much of it, too much of it.
This just shears through the water, man.
Yeah.
This is sick. Like I say, it's good. It's got that one flaw though, and it can be a fatal flaw.
And if you don't check it regularly, that sucker, no water, dude.
Yeah, even upside down, that was pretty good.
Yeah.
Boy, it's really choppy out there. You should go out there.
That range, that's pretty good.
It's not that far though. So yeah, it should be. But it's far enough to where you can't really see it anymore, so yeah.
Yeah. It's pretty good.
This will definitely go that
Oh,
far.
I just got it hot.
You hope. It's not out of range. Hold that
No,
shit
no.
up.
It was in range over there. I just got it hot. It's got to cool down for a sec.
But sometimes when you let go,
Watch.
oh yeah, you're good.
Just had to cool down for a little bit. It's done this before. So bring it in, just let it cool down for a little bit, then it's fine.
And the other thing, this has excellent water cooling on this.
Yeah, it really does.
This is an awesome boat, man. It's just, yeah,
They fucked up with it.
takes on board too much water.
Yeah. If it wasn't for that, it'd be great. And the battery issue with you got to pull the fucking motor to change a battery in it.
Yeah, it's disgusting.
Yeah. Is that cool for you? Cool. Yeah, when I was at the park the other day, after I'd let it cool down a little like this,
Yeah.
and then when I'd switch batteries, I'd actually leave the top open and just let everything get air and cool down a little bit.
Yeah.
Before I started a new one. I didn't do that this time. But